Hi guys and welcome. If you're interested of building a website or landing page using a Wix platform, that's definitely gonna be a useful video for you, because in this video I want to show to you all the things that you need to know and all the things that you will use to build your own landing page or web page or website using the Wix platform. I don't want to waste your time, that's why this video is going to be short and very useful with a maximum value, because I don't want to waste your time and make this video like 1 hour long. That's why let's jump in straight to business. First of all, I need to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access to this platform with a big discount, so use that link. And when you're gonna be on the platform, that's how it will look from inside. Then you need to press create a new site, and you're gonna be on the spot with a lot of options to choose, and in this spot you need to be as specific as possible because it will save you a lot of time of editing. It depends on what you want to build. Yeah, I'm gonna press other just to show you the editor and all the editing features. In this spot you can let Wix create a website for you, answering a couple simple questions and automatically get a site, or you need to create a website with an editor, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna edit a template, and here you go. You're inside the platform, and there are a lot of interesting and very beautiful templates that are already pre-built for you, and you just need to edit some things. Here you also can sort it by the business types, by store like fashion, clothing, jewelry, and accessories. If you need to build a website that will sell something creative, community and blog and so on. So it depends on type of your business actually, but let's edit this one. I'm gonna show you what's inside the editor and what you're gonna use to build your own web page. There are a couple interesting buttons and interesting features of this platform. Actually, everything is pretty built with the blocks, with the sections. Of course, you can watch this video here, but in general, I'll show you what's happening here, because you see this is a simple template. And let's switch to mobile. That's the spot where you can see how your website will be displayed on mobile devices, and that's pretty cool because a lot of traffic nowadays flows from mobile devices like tablets and smartphones. That's why you definitely need to check it before you go live with your website, how it displayed in the mobile version. So menus and pages, background, ad and theme manager, and apps. Actually, that's all you need to build it. This window, I'm closing up this window always. So let's go to menus and pages, and you see that there's home, modals, and a lot of modals here. Navigation bar, but we don't need this. I like to build landing pages or websites actually in one layout, in one page, without a navigation, but it's up to you, it's up to your business, it's up to your purposes actually. And if you need a big website with a lot of information or a lot of things to show, so you can easily build it with the different templates here. So when you're gonna press the three buttons, you can see the page info, layouts, like standard, and no header and footer. This is very useful feature if you're building a landing page and you have a big picture like here, like in this case, you have a big, great, high quality picture, and you don't want this strips to be out there. But of course, it's up to you. Yeah, permissions. This is for everyone, for password holders or for members only, and you can even build like online school with a membership, and if somebody will apply a membership for your school, you can build separate pages for members only. with login and password and so on. SEO, definitely it's a very important thing to take care of, because definitely you want your site to be visible to search engine machines, and if not, if you will not handle all this, it will not be visible, and probably you'll not get a clients. Social share, also you need to upload an image that will describe your site, describe your business, and advanced SEO, like it's for pros. We're gonna go back and we're gonna go to background. If you see there's a background of a page, of entire page, and you can use images, you can use videos. Let's apply this one, and it's instantly, you see, just in seconds. Yeah, you can change everything here in seconds, and that's pretty cool. And nice thing that you have a lot of content, high quality content in this backgrounds, like you can apply it to other pages straight from here. If you don't have your own content, you didn't prepare that yet, maybe, or you're just starting your business, you can use this this pre-built content, and that's very great. One more thing about this, things that you can customize everything, you can move things around, and that's just amazing, because a lot of other website building platforms not allows you to do that. You can put tags just on the spot, and that's it, and you cannot move it around. Here you see you can make things smaller. To change the tags, you just need to double click on it, and you see what's happening here. It's pretty impressive. As for me, I like this tool so much, and for example, you see that now you can place it right here, and that's amazing, just because you can get a lot of customization here, and this is pretty amazing. As I told you, there are a lot of actually website building platforms, and there you can just put in the center or in the center. Here you can get a lot of customization and to order things as you wish, just literally as you wish. Everything is built here with the strips, actually, and or blocks or sections. There's strips on this platform, and you can choose them. You can add a lot of things like about, contact, welcome, services, team. Like, let's add a team. Here you go. You see, we add a strip, and this strip is straight away there, and you can change the shape of this, and you can change everything, and you can change the strip background itself. So we apply the background for entire page, and you see right now you have the parallax effect. The picture is still there, and everything is like scrolling over the background picture. But you can change the strip background here, and you see the same picture. Of course, it shouldn't be like that, just to show you. Yeah, you see, and you have the settings here. You can change the opacity. You see the color behind an image. To show you, let's choose this one, and we gonna change it. Yeah, you see, you can change a lot of things here, and you have a lot of settings to play around with. But actually, all the things here are pretty changeable. And you see, change an image, all the settings happening with this gear, all the design happening with this, like small pencil button. You see, frame, and all the stuff you can use here to customize just literally everything. You can add things like pre-built things, or you can use the tags, images, buttons, gallery, and so on and so on. And you can build literally everything with this, like video and music. Let's drag and drop it here. You see, it's pretty fantastic that everything's worked properly and everything works very fast. So you can build everything and you can move things around to the order that you want, and you can reshape things to the order that you want. But the most important part of this actually is the buttons. You see the button, you can change text, you can change design style, but the most important things is the link actually. Because if your button's not working, it's rubbish. What should you do here? You need to apply a link, and to which, like you see models, and which page, like models here. But in most cases, if you're building landing page, or if you're building some things to get contact information, because the main purpose actually of any landing page or website is to get clients, and to get client information, you need to apply or phone number or email. Okay, and this is the main thing. You need to add the email address here to get the contact information from your clients, from your visitors, to work with that information and to send them updates, to warm them up, and to sell them something. Like we see that Ala Models New York here, and if you need the models, you can press this button and the models will be shown. But in most cases, purpose of landing page or website is to get client information. So you need to keep that in mind to build everything up with the purpose of getting information. And that's the big issue. Also, I showed you how to add things. You can move things. I showed you how you can move things. There's also interesting thing like theme manager. You can change the theme to the colors, like to any theme that you want, and everything you see will be changed in the shape. As you can see, the colors are changing, and this is pretty useful tool, because if you'll find a template that will suit to your business, and you can switch the color theme that will look most beautiful as you want. Maybe you have some brand colors and you can apply them here. So the current theme is pretty okay for this case. So the main purpose of this, I wanted to show you that you can customize just literally everything on this page. And actually any landing page or web page or website is to show your business, show your unique offer from the first step, from the first from the first page. You need to show to people what you want to sell them or what you want to propose them, or like your uniqueness. And in that case, you need to apply buttons, you need to apply call to actions, and everything is going to be great, and people will see your offer and people will press the button. And in that case, you're going to grow your email list, and you can integrate a lot of interesting things to this site. To change the video, you need to press change the video, and actually it's pretty simple and easy. I will not show it to you. If you want to delete some things, you just need to press the right button of your mouse and press delete, and that's it. Every strip has its own properties, every strip has its own layout, and you can change strip background itself, you can change everything there. But one of the most important thing is applications that you can add, and you need to find out more about them, because there's a lot of interesting tools that you can apply to your website, like comments, Wix forum, pricing plans, and so on, trending now. There's a lot of things that you can integrate, like stores, forum, hotels, blog, video, and so on. And push notifications, a lot of things. Google Ads, you can apply Google Ads to your website, and you can make money by showing ads to your visitors. If you have a lot of traffic, it can be useful also. A lot of things So discover all those Facebook like pop-up, Instagram feed. You can add Instagram feed. Understand? That's pretty cool features here, and you need to discover all those. Of course, it depends on the type of your business. It depends on the size of your site, and it depends on purposes that you want. Media here also, you can upload all your media, all your files, all your pictures, all your videos, and so on. Blog, booking, and business tools. I will not show it to you because actually everything that you need to use is this 4 buttons, and you can find correct template. You can customize this template. You can move things around to the order that you want, and it can be built literally under like 1 hour. If you have content, if you have what to show, if you know your layout, it's pretty like welcome page, your uniqueness or describing of your business, like about page, contact us, and that's pretty it. All the elements that you need you can find in this add button, like blog, store, booking, events, members, social, menus, yeah, blank box you can add, and a lot of things that you need to use, like contact, promotion. You see, it's already pre-built, it's already done. You just need to apply these things to your like layout, and everything's gonna work properly, and this is pretty cool. So think about what you want to build first. Write down your texts, write down your offers, and just combine it with a Wix. This is very fast and really easy. So you can do it yourself for sure. I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access to Wix platform with a big discount from our team to our subscribers and friends. So use that link and start building your own landing page or website. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.